Here's a little trick to earn $485 over and over again. 3 easy steps. That's literally all you need to do. But for what? You may ask. As simple as 3 very easy steps, you can get to earn over $400 with real money online. Just click some buttons here and there with a little bit of copy pasting. Then there you have it. Now you're probably wondering, with a method like this, what is the catch? Well, there's nothing you have to do in return because this strategy is completely free, which means no investments, no selling, no charges, and generally no payments at all. You don't even need to have some sort of technical skill or even prior experience because this method right here is more than perfect for beginners like you and me. Let me also tell you that this method might be the fastest way you can earn or make money online. This is widely available no matter where you are in the world, since it can be accessed by anyone across the map. Everything just sounds so good, right? Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to accomplish this. And I will guide you in your entire journey. Make sure to stay with me until the end of this video. And remember to never skip ahead, because you might miss some vital information that are very crucial in the strategy today. About a year ago, Olivia was seated where you are right now on the other side of that screen. No skill, no job, no degree, just a phone in her hand, and then she realized that was all she needed. Fast forward to today, I am going to be teaching you just how you too can easily make money online like Olivia, or should I say, money online, and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. First and foremost, I want you to visit the website called digistore24.com. It is an all-in-one digital sales platform and international affiliate network. To give you a little glimpse of what we're going to be doing, the first step is to create an account. And once you're registered, go ahead to the marketplace where you can discover this wide array of products. Among these various selections, you can choose to promote any one of these by just clicking some buttons and sharing your unique link to as many people as you can in order to increase your earnings by a mile. It's pretty simple because when you post this promo link to the internet for the whole world to see, you can earn money as easy as 1, 2, 3. Whenever somebody clicks on your link and they make a purchase on Digistore24, you get to earn as much as $485 and maybe even more as your commission income for successfully promoting their products. Before we proceed to the sign-up process, you can go ahead and navigate through the entire web page. And if you have some questions or some clarifications about the website, you can easily find answers on the site itself. Digistore24 presents you with all the information, and you will learn everything you need to learn just right here. Now we are about to enter the money-making scene by first signing up for an account. For this part and all that follows, make sure to pay close attention so that you can get everything right in one go. Follow all the steps I tell you and stay until the end of this video. And just like that, you're good to go. Before we sign up for an account, let me give you a little bit of something to motivate you. Later, after you log in, I want you to go ahead and click on this section right here called Marketplace, and you'll be redirected to this page where you can view hundreds of products offered by Digistore24. You can see right here that you can earn a whopping 85% of commissions with this amazing product called Metacore. You can view the details right here, and you have all the freedom to discover what Metacore offers to its customers. As you can see right here, there are almost 500 products that are ready for you to promote and in turn earn money from. Feel free to scroll down and navigate through the page so that you'll discover products that offer high commission income. I'm sure you can earn a lot of money right here with the hundreds of products in store and with an endless income stream that you can earn from commissions. Want to know a little secret so that you can easily find products with a much higher yield? Stay tuned because I'm going to tell you all about it. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. I have a little tip for you so that you won't have to scroll and scroll and scroll to find the perfect product that offers the highest commission income. With this tiny yet powerful tip, you can earn much more money in a much faster way, thus saving time and energy. On default, the search results are sorted according to sales rank. Now, what I want you to do is click on this arrow down button right here and select Sort by Earnings or Sale. Within the blink of an eye, you now have everything handed to you on a silver platter. You can see these products right here, ranked according to the commission income that you can earn with no exact pattern. With that new filter applied, you can find this product right here called Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, which has a massive commission income. As you scroll down, you can also find this product right here called Tube Monetization and Automation Program with a huge commission averaging $303.26. Now, if you did not apply the tip that I gave you just now, it might take you several minutes to locate these products right here that offer such high yields. But lucky for you, you learned about how a single click can literally save you lots of your time. You know what they say, time is gold. Now, in case you forgot, you haven't signed up for an account yet, so let's go back to the homepage of Digistore24. In the middle of the page, you can see this button calling you out to sign up. Simply click on this button right here and you'll be redirected to this page where you can begin your registration process. First, you're going to select an affiliate on the field for sign-up ads. Next, simply fill in all the information needed, starting with your username. Once you've successfully inputted your username, your affiliate link will automatically generate. And that right there is your money maker. Like I said, continue to fill in basic information such as your email, then craft your own password, then choose your correct time zone. Now, if you look closely, there are hundreds of selections that you can choose for the time zone. And this tells us one thing: they are accessible. With this prime accessibility feature, more and more people across the globe can be given this opportunity to make money online very effectively. After selecting your time zone, simply type in some personal data about yourself, including your name, company, address, country, phone number, and Skype name or Telegram ID. After that, you're going to tick these boxes right here to signify that you agree to the contract and the privacy policy of the website. And then finally hit that register button. And as easy as that, you now have your own account with absolutely no charges at all. With your brand new account, log in to Digistore24 and go on to the Marketplace section, just like I told you all about earlier. Then click on any product that you like after you've applied that little tip I gave you. Then, as you can see, you are going to click on this button right here that says Promote Now. After clicking that button, you now have access to your unique affiliate link, and that means you are now all set to share this link to the general public and start making money online. In order to expand your coverage and reach more and more people, a public forum would be perfect for that goal. One public forum that is so popular for use by various people among the 7 continents on the planet is Reddit. When you land on the homepage, you can see tons of different discussions and threads with numerous topics that you can find as shared by users worldwide. With that said, you can discover hundreds and even thousands of people who might have some queries about something related to the product that you're going to promote. Since the product was all about making money online through YouTube, what I want you to do is to go to Reddit's search bar and type in some keywords related to that. You can choose to type in how to boost my YouTube account and simply hit the search button, and you will now see these queries shared by users from literally everywhere on the globe. Reddit is a public community dedicated to helping each other solve some problems by seeking the help of professionals and experts. These people right here are looking to find some ways as to how they can make more and more money through YouTube, so you're going to help them out. Simply select any of the discussions right here, and I want you to be as social as possible. When you click on these discussions, you are going to offer tips and ideas that aim to help these people out. You're going to give a few tricks, some pointers, and offer them free advice as to how they can make more and more money online using their YouTube account. Through this, they will most likely click on your affiliate link as one of the tips that you've shared to them, and then the magic happens. When they choose to purchase your promoted product, you are going to earn commission income, which is a whopping 50% of their sales. That's really huge. And you know what the best thing about this is? You can actually promote as many products according to your liking, and also reply to as many Reddit threads as you can. Through this, you get to expand the horizons of your money-making technique in order to reach more people, drive more traffic, and as a result, gain more and more money.